I'm going to show you how to make a shot called Real Romulan Ale. This is one for all you Trekkie fans out there. And you're probably home dateless, so the least you can do is get a little bit drunk. All right, we're going to start off with our ice. Pour that into your glass. I'm kidding, I love Star Trek. No offense, guys. Go out with me, seriously, please. All right, rinse your ice because I'm sure it tastes funky like whatever's been in your freezer for 6 months. Pour some water over it, strain it upside down in the kitchen sink, and then you're ready to go to make Real Romulan Ale. All right, we're going to start off with 1 shot or ounce of 151 proof rum. There you go, just like so. And then we're going to add to that 1 shot or ounce of Everclear. Last but not least, blue curacao. 1 shot of that as well. We're going to go ahead and shake that up. Now, you can put this in your freezer and wait 2 hours, or you can go ahead and take a chilled shot glass and strain it into your shot glass. All right, hold on to your hats, Star Trek fans, because this Real Romulan Ale will knock you over. Cheers.